Here we have a 217V 120 volt performance chart. It has three curve pairs. The first curve pair says 095 for GPM and 095 for amps. Here's the 095 curve for GPM and 095 for amps. Now the second curve pair is the green, which is 085 cam, and it has 085 green. Here's the middle curve, 085 for amps, the middle curve there as well. And last we have the 075 cam GPM and amps, the red curve, 075 GPM and 075 amps. Okay, so now let's say you're designing a system and you're operating at 500 psi. You go down to the chart and you find 500 psi, draw a line up, and you see, we're gonna look at the 095 cam first, but the 095 curve doesn't reach, so we're going to draw another line up off of that endpoint. Looks like 095 cam, then if you look at the numbers here, it's going to do about 0.78 GPM, and it only reached 450 psi because it ended. And then we'll be about 3.2 amps. Look at the green curve, draw a line over, and draw a line over where the black light intersects. We got 085 cam, does about 0.75 GPM at 500 psi, because it could reach 500 in this case, and then we're 3.1 amps. Now, last but not least, we have the 075 cam. We draw over, and we draw over up on the amp curve. We get 075 cam, does about 0.65 GPM at 500 psi, and it does about 2.75 amps.